Hello everyone. Recently, the optimization field has advanced rapidly through hybrid approaches that blend machine learning with classical solvers, enabling faster and more reliable solutions for large-scale and constrained problems. There is growing momentum in distributed optimization methods driven by edge computing and multi-agent systems alongside emerging quantum-inspired and probabilistic algorithms targeting hard combinatorial tasks. Engineering and design optimization has seen improvements in topology optimization, adaptive heuristics, and stability-focused convergence strategies, while data-driven optimization is increasingly applied to dynamic systems and real-time decision-making. Additionally, mechanism design-driven optimization and incentive-aligned algorithms are becoming prominent in resource coordination frameworks. What do you think about the recent development in the field of optimization? Please let me know by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.